Hey guys, it's Ryan here with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Facebook two-step authentication problem on your mobile device when you're logging in. Now, the big thing about this is you want to make sure that once you log in, it's going to ask you to verify your account using a code that they send a phone number or email on your device. Now, if you don't have access to those things, you or are not receiving that message, you want to just make sure that you have internet first. So we're going to start by actually exiting out of our Facebook app and going over to our Safari, where we just type in google.com or whatever website just to double check that we have access to internet or our cellular data. So it looks like we do. All right, so if you've been logging in on your Facebook app and it's still not letting you verify your account, what you want to do is make sure that you don't try too many times after trying this next step because it will block you out. So make sure to wait maybe a few hours before you try this next step if you have been having a hard time or been blocked out by Facebook, the application. So if you are on entering your phone number, email, and password and still giving you a hard time by not receiving a code, what you want to do is there's going to be a button underneath where it says forgot password that says help. Now, all you're going to do is click help, and then there's going to be a form that asks you to submit your email account associated with the login, what carrier you have, and the reason why you're not able to two-step verify. Then they will continue to follow up with you. A Facebook customer or Facebook employee will follow up with you and let you kind of take the steps necessary to get back into your account. So this has been how to fix the Facebook two-step authentication problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.